sa Cebu ngayon. It's RD1, actually. So, yan. Ito yung parang mini kitchen. When you enter the door, yan, yung entrance, which is I will not share na. So, ayan na yung look ng room namin with my boyfriend. And here na yung CR. Super nice, diba? Super cozy. So, yeah. And that's me. I love my outfit. Pero medyo pagod na ako since my flight was supposedly 2 a.m. but namove ako ng 7 a.m. So, ang tagal ko siya talaga nagantay, guys. So, wala na akong time para talk earlier na nasa airport na and on the way na dito sa Cebu to meet my in-laws. And also, just an update, I don't have braces na. So, baka medyo weird lang din nakikita nyo since ang weird din. Sa sarili ko, ang weird din talaga niya. But anyway, so ayun na nga. I'm planning if I'm gonna watch because we will go out later, but I'm thinking also if I'll go to the church kasi very near lang siya and you know may mga priorities din tayo and stuff. So here is the look of the room. So CR pala, sorry guys, my bad, medyo katanga talaga. So meron tong body lotion. So ito binili ko lang to sa Mart kasi naiwan ko sa bahay yung Selected Gorgeous. Ito lang talaga din naman yung ginagamit ko for my skin since I have very sensitive skin. So yeah, so ito na yung parang wash area. So yan, very clean. It's not too big. Parang sakto lang siya for 2, but yun na. Medyo may feedback ko rin yung boyfriend ko. Pero nagustuhan niya yung mga appliances since ayan, brand kasi nila yan, Samsung. And also the ref, diba? Super compact niya. Ang laki. Parang ganito tuloy yung gusto kong ref namin sa bahay na upgrade. Like Samsung. So yan. Meron naman kaming laman. Mahilig kasi yan talaga siya sa yogurt. So meron na kaming yogurt. And yeah, so ayan na. Basically, ayan na yung parang mini kitchen, CR, and then yung ref. And here parang closet lang yan, guys. No pala. Andyan yung breaker, sorry. So yeah, store for the sleeper. Which is I'm gonna put here na lang din yung akin para hindi makalat. And yeah, so here meron water. And then yung G-strap versus usual. Parang kondo talaga siya. Trash bin. And mga utensils. Napalito ka magluto, guys. So ayan, yung warm water para for coffee na pwede mo na rin naman din hugasan in case. And mga yan, if you want to cook talaga pang staycation, okay din yung citadines. Sobrang ganda ng concept nila. Ayan o, complete na yan. You can use. So ayan, smokeless naman siya and induction naman yung lutuan. So ayan, decent naman, which is very, I like. So yeah, so ayan me. Hi guys, so this is the big room. As you can see, this is me. So guys, if you wanna know where I got my outfit, actually hindi ko talaga siya binili sa any online store. Nakuha ko siya sa Skip store. So medyo naging bloated lang ako kasi kumain na kami. Ayan, hindi ko na bumaba na yung zipper ko, guys. Yan, and update lang also, I lose 3 kilos. Not drastic change, but yeah, definitely at least nag-change naman siya. So just to give you a montage. So this is the guys, so may sabon, may TV, and meron ka ditong parang mini office table, like, which is I wanna go then tomorrow ng maaga, or either Monday. I'll wake up na lang early. Since i-declare ko na absent talaga din ako. But yeah, nag-file naman ako ng leave ko for 1 day. But basically, hindi kasi talaga nila ako papayagan in case. So yeah, so that was the view of outside the room. So you will see, ayan na, us. Sa other side mo talaga makukay kasi lalabas pa ako. Well, that's a separate montage or para sa shorts ko na lang yung view. Pero ito yung sa room namin. And you will see Cebu. So yeah, very nice. I love the room, the location, and yung messy ko na gamit. Which is, disregard nyo na lang guys. Pero papagalitan ako ng jowa ko. Ang kalat ng gamit ko. Which is, sanay naman na siya. So yeah. So I have my shoes here, which is ilalagay ko. And then yung pasalubong niya sa akin, mga piso gel, which is i-unbox natin guys. So yeah, here's the piso gel. And then binigyan ako ng something for the feet for massage, I guess. Very nice siya. I love it. Parang, just kaya ko sa jowa ko. Siguro naiirita na yun sa legs ko. Kasi ang laki ng legs ko. Sobrang wow. Sobrang appreciate ko talaga yun si Kuya. Sobrang sweet. Ano naman yan siya? Hindi siya malambing. Pero sa mga pasalubong wala masasabi niya sa tao na yun. Hindi mo kailangan magpabili actually. So ito yung mga pasalubong. This one from my ate. Binigyan niya galing sa lugar ng asawa niya. So ito binili ko lang din sa Robinsons. The banana chips. So also these mga tea for my in-laws. Which is I'll explain this to them. Yan, mga tea. Then cookies for Wendy. And Wendy, sinulat na ng jowa ko yan. And Namu. So yeah. Ayan na yung mga gift ko naman sa kanila. But basically guys, I'll bring more when pag na-approve ako ng visa sa Korea. And meron tong dried puset and dried anchovies. Yeah, I hope they will like it. So, ayan, yun lang yung pinaka So, ang sobrang nice ng room. And ito na, may meron ka ditong parang alarm na ang cute. Parang gusto ko nga din bumili kasi super nice niya. Ayun, parang sobrang lakas maka-aesthetic. And here, meron ng 2-time check guys. Medyo hindi ba nakikita? It's 5:49 na, August 2. Yan, sinesearch lang power bank ko guys kasi ito pwede ko siya dalhin. Maliit lang kasi yung capacity niya. Oh guys, may nakalimutan ako. So, this is yung parang closet which you can store yung mga damit and then maduduming damit. Diba, ang ganda. Then may extra pillow din pala dun guys. Super nice. So, side na ng jowa ko yan kasi lagi naman kami and then may safe. Open. Open. Ano ba ito? What happened? Sorry, wala ako sa kain. Kahit busog pa ako. So, ito lang lagay ng laundry bag. Meron tayong safe here. Ako, jowa ko lang gumagamit yan guys. Siya lang naman may pera dyan. So, most probably, I'll use the dryer. Kasi wala akong dala anything for my hair. So, yeah, yun lang naman. Standard sa room. Then, ito yung lagayan ng pasalubong niya sa akin. So, yeah. We'll take a photo. And then, yung water namin. Which is may water naman kami. I don't know what bumili pa siya. So, I'll put it here na lang. So, yeah. So, ayan lang. Sobrang, sorry guys, if sobrang magulo nung pag-video ko. So, yan. Yan lang naman. And then, later, tapos ilagay ko lang yung shoes ko here pala. So, storage. Para hindi makalat. Kasi mapagalitan na naman ako ng yan. Naku, mausi yung jowa ko na yan. Kasama kami sa bahay, ano yung mga gamit niya, diba? Sobrang maayos yan. Sa akin lang magagalit yan kasi sobrang makalat and hindi talaga ako ma-organize. Ay naku, ewan ko na lang, good luck talaga sa akin. Yan. Sobrang ano yan, pati paper bag nakatabihan sa kanya, ganyan yan siya. Super malinis. Ayan, ayun may kalat. So ako lang makalat talaga. So ayan guys, I'll just take photo of this lang and then I'll get back to you siguro. I-charge ko lang din a little bit para dun sa unboxing. Okay. Ay, so cute ito. Aww. This is heavy. Oh. Oh, it's so big. So it's for whole legs?
Oh.
See, it's so big, guys. Actually, it's my first time with knee. So, This one is like,
Okay,
it's Korean. We should try.
Left to right is ano?
So it has a zipper. Zipper siya guys. It has a machine. I think this is rechargeable. So, meron siyang rechargeable. Kasi di ko lang maintindihan kasi it's Korean. But he will teach me later. So one. Oh, it has a manual, but of course it's full Korean. But it has an image on how you will put it. Or maybe I can just use the Google Translate to read the English.
Possible.
Possible. Because I saw Namu doing that. So this one's charger.
Yes.
Charger. So we have two chargers.
See tayo?
Yeah, you see type and it's USB, but it's what's this? Let's open guys. So meron siyang dalawang socket. Which I'm not sure. This one.
Hindi. Each one.
No. Like another socket siya guys. I think this one maybe is USB type. So two charger in one point. Is it? Yes, same.
Two option.
Maybe you can
You can choose this one as well.
Okay, so this one is also charging.
But I think, okay, you can choose one.
Yeah. So guys, gagamitin mo siya. I think maybe you will use this parang your laying down. Like your legs is like this. Like that guys.
Actually,
Spread. Yeah. So later on we will demo. So yeah. Very unique yung gift niya guys.
Okay, so, okay, tingnan lang. Here, like this. Okay, so,
Oh, so whenever I'm tired, I can do something and like, this is like a foot massage. Do you have this also, baby? Just for me. Hinilhan niya lang, only daw lang guys. So dahil sa box, wala nito naman guys. As you can see. It has, I think this is the warranty card for the service.
Okay, so,
Try to open it. Oh, it's so nice. It's so cool. Demo.
Wow.
So yeah, so this is the box. Maybe I'm gonna bring the box. Is it okay? What do you think?
throw away. We've done a pouch.
The box is true.
Because you look like big. So,
But I like the box. I wanna keep it. So nice. You try. The other one also video. You try. I will try also later. When I know.
oh,
Because I'll unbox. So, meron siyang, so this is the manual guys. It has also the warranty. Then ito yung mga charger niya. Yan. So also, inclusion niya this bag. Sabi ni Opa, tapos na daw yung box. Did you buy this in the duty free? This one? Duty free?
oh,
Niya na
oh,
So it has the adjustment.
oh.
Tamis na siya guys. Sabi nila na. Because he doesn't have that though. Pero he needs to demo that to me kasi it's full Korean. So next, we're gonna open ang baby niya ng bag. Yeah, very supportive naman siya. Yeah. Yep. So, ang ganda ng bag niya, oh. So, it's okay, I'll just store the bags. So, I can store here everything, like put the accessories, the manual and stuff. And washable daw siya, guys. I think it's washable. Maybe hand wash too. So, yeah. I'll take a photo of this later, after the unboxing. I'm gonna post it, since it's my first time receiving such a gift. And it's so unique. I didn't have any of this. So, what's the brand? How do you call this, baby?
Puleo.
Puleo?
Pretty.
Puleo. It's a Korean brand.
Yes, it means that they left.
Relaxing. So, that's the meaning of it. So also, he got me another filter. Actually, guys, binibilan niya talaga ako nito every time na nag-visit siya sa Philippines. So, I'm currently using this sa shower. So, he got me 3 again, which is I still have pa naman din sa bahay. 3 of this. So, yeah. Thank you, baby. And then, of course, my piso gel. Ang daming binili. Okay, let's move to Namu's gift. So, Namu is Opa's friend. So, I bought this. How do you read this? Oh, Estura? Everything is Korean, actually. So, I'm not sure if this is Korean or what. But it looks like Korean brand. So, he gave me like retinoid. So, this one is retinol for eye cream. So, this one from Namu. Thank you, Namu. And then this one is calming cream. This one is for sensitive skin, I guess. I have very sensitive skin and irritated skin. So this is 60 ml. This one, 15 ml. I think this one is same brand, guys. So this one is lifting capsule cream. Wow. Parang lalim naman for anti-aging and sensitive, slow aging. It's nice. So yeah. Moving on. So ito guys, meron na siyang binigay sa akin last time. Same brand daw siya, pero may variation siya. This one is for white siya. Miso gel pa din, which is yung ginagamit ko, which I'll show you. Wait, nakuhain ko. This one is the brown variant. Sabi niya mas mahal daw tong brown kasi dito sa one variant. So I'll show you what I'm using. Currently using. Natalang ni F na YouTube. Pero yes, I'm trying. So ito siya. Konti na siya. Hindi ko lang may zoom in. So yan yung ginagamit ko dati. Galing din sa kanya and meron siyang smaller version. Ano yung smaller version? May weird one siya kasi nag-video ako. It's nice. You don't wanna go to the gym. Just massage na siya. So yeah, so it has the ano pa rin, dropper. Oh, it's so cute. It's good for traveling. I can put the bigger version or like the essence here. Oh, so cute guys. 10 ml lang siya. Parang smaller size lang nito. This one is I never bring this with my travels since 50 ml siya ay medyo bulky. But since binigyan niya ako ng maliit, this is very compact. Ayun, sobrang difference niya. See? So this one is nice. 10 ml lang siya guys. Yeah. Ewan ko, nag-hoard na naman siya ng piso gel. But I think this skincare line is really good on my skin. Very minimal and it's not too harsh. I'm not using any skincare right now, just makeup and the skincare that we do. So this one I have this already nasa bahay. This one, so this is the brown packaging. Same variant siya. And let's just open the one for reference. So I'll check this one if this is for daytime. I'll check. So this one is clarifying essence. I think this is for daytime because I use this on nighttime. I'm gonna open to smell because I know the smell of the brown one already. I wanna check.
The pigeon girl no smell.
I mean scent.
Smell so? No, so no flavor.
But this one, it has a little bit of smell. This one, the brown variant. This one, no smell. No smell at all. But this one, it has a smell, guys. Like, you saw it smell.
Wow. Okay, ito na.
I'll try that later. I'm almost done. Woo! Almost done with the unboxing. Yes. So I'll try later. So I have 3 of this. Tonight I'm gonna try the serum, eye serum. This one is the... Ay! Did you get yours?
I already get one.
I already get one. Okay. So I have another Sunscreen SPF 50 plus plus plus. So let's open, guys, and check. It's a different variant as well, but same size, 40 ml. So yeah, and then I have two. I think this is different. SPF 50 for redness and for Sika balance. So this one is 3 variants, guys. Let's open. Hala, ang cute niya. I'll use this kasi pupunta kami sa dagat tomorrow. Ayan, yun, iba-iba siya na ano, oh. Iba-iba siya. Super cute niya, guys. Siguro freebie lang siya or ano. Kasi may exam sa Korea magbigay ng mga freebie eh. So alam mo yun, sobrang mahirap pa talaga. Super nice. So I have 2 of this. So yan, 2. And last but not least, another. Oh, it's same. I think it's the same. Ibang packaging lang niya, guys eh. Pero let me check. Let me check. Oh, naka-individual siya. Ayun, meron na siyang ganyan, no? So I think I'll get this one for my own. Personal ko siya. And then I'll give this to Mom Lu. Yung isa nito. Yan. I'll keep the other one and give it to Mom Lu. And then I'll keep this one and ito. Hindi kasi naman ginagamit ng mga kapatid ko yung ano, guys. Pero iwan kasi bigyan ko din yung kapatid ko ng isa nito. Si ate ko, since mahilig siya magpahit-pahit. Pero I'm not gonna sure. Let's check on them. Kasi yung dapat talaga magagamit nila. Kasi medyo pricey din itong piso dyan, guys. Sa Pilipinas, if you compare it. So yeah, that's it for the vlog. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye. Ooh, the pool is nice. It's the pool, so we're checking my boyfriend. We're checking the amenities, guys. But yeah, doesn't like it. It's too small now. Oh. Souvenir?
Which come yet?
Yeah.
Every cheese is Burrito step.
It's a local. It's not coffee shop also. That's complimentary. I think this one the coffee. This one, if coffee shop.
Okay, free?
Let's ask. Yes, it's free.
Yeah.
Every 7 a.m. to 9 and 2 to 5. So you should try this one. Oh, it's a local. Tuburan coffee, local shop. So, no smell.
하이고 싶은데 얘는 다른 데로 가는데 서울을 가든지 제주도를 가든지 양양을 가든지 해야 될 거 아니야. 다닐 수 있는 걸 거야. 이거는 얘랑 나랑 하는 생각. 이로써